Alright, I'm going to teach you how to make a custom visual screen for R.A.V.E. Open up Blender and delete anything that shows up by default. Now press Shift A and select the cube. Let's hit the tilde key, go to the front, zoom in a little bit, move this up. Make sure that the bottom of it is on this red line. That will be the floor of the game. And we'll want to resize it, make it more like a screen. Alright. Now you hit Tab and go into edit mode. And you'll want to go to this little section down here for material properties. Create a new material. Call it base. Now this is very important in the order of operations. You will want to have a base material first, and then you will want to have another material called visual. So let's start with base. And then we'll hit this button here, create a new one. Click new, and then call this visual. Okay, now that since we're in edit mode, we want to click the face selection button up here, and then choose the face that you want your visuals to be streamed onto. Then we'll click visual, hit assign, and just for visual reference, I'm going to give this a color. Now if you notice, the color didn't change, so you'll want to go up here and hit this little button for in viewport shading. So now you can see that it is red. Okay, now our mesh is mostly finished. We'll want to go into UV editing to edit the textures. Alright, now select the face. Oh wait, can't see which side it is. Hold on. You need to select the viewport shading again. Select the face that has a visual screen. Now if you notice, this is really small. So what you want to do is hit U on your keyboard and go to Smart UV Project. Alright. And since this is a basic mesh, Smart UV project will work in most cases. But if you have like multiple meshes and you want to combine them, then you'll hit U on your keyboard. Actually, no, before you hit U, sorry, you will want to hit the tilde key and find the front of your mesh. So that was the right side. And then you want to hit U on your keyboard and select Project from View Bounds. Now what this does is it does the same, it similarly does the same thing as before, but it gives it the bounds of the UV area. Okay, next step is, since this is a square, inside of R.A.V.E, most of the visuals are in a rectangular shape. So what you want to do is resize your UVs. I like to make them smaller, probably by about three squares from each side, and that should be good to go. So then you want to hit File, Export, FBX, choose a location, screen designs. I'm going to name mine screen 16, and then hit export. Okay, now we'll want to look for the file real quick. And now we got 16. Okay, so the next step is to upload it to a service of your choice, usually like Dropbox. Actually, Dropbox is the only one that's supported right now. If you can find any other website that you use, let me know. Hit me up. I'll add it to the featured websites list. So let's move ahead. I already have Dropbox open, and I'm going to upload the file. All right, cool. Easy. Copy the link. Got it. So now the next step you do is run the game. So we'll do new menu, give it a a name like this is a test. Choose a location. Let's go with the ocean. All right, choose a mod. Go into model URL and paste your Dropbox link. Now with Dropbox, it has a 0 on the end. You'll want to delete that and change it to a 1. And give your model a name. So let's see, screen square. Add it. All right, that means the game downloaded it. So we're going to go back and create the venue. Okay, so then we will go to the custom object section. And if you notice, we already have our object in here. So let's try to paste it and see if the visuals are correct. Yeah, that looks pretty good. And there you have it. That is how you create a visual screen for R.A.V.E. I hope that you guys create some awesome stages using this new feature and show me them. Like I would love to see what you guys create. Thank you.